Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to send a contact on Telegram. Whether you're helping a friend connect with someone or just sharing a phone number the smart way, this updated tutorial will walk you through every step clearly and simply. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. You can do this on Android, iPhone, or even desktop, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on mobile since that's where most people use Telegram. Once open the app, go straight to the chat where you want to send the contact. This could be an individual chat or even a group chat, anywhere you'd like to share it. Next, look toward the message box at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a small paperclip icon that's the attachment icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where Telegram collects all the tools you can use to share things like photos, videos, files, locations, and of course, contacts. After tapping the paperclip icon, a small menu pops up with different options. From there, select Contact. This option takes you straight to your phone's contact list, so make sure the person's number is already saved in your phone. Now, scroll through your contacts or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person you want to share. Once you've found the right contact, tap on their name. You'll then see an option that says Share Contact. Tap that, and Telegram will instantly send the contact information right into the chat. The recipient can then view it, save it, or start messaging that contact directly. And that's it. You've just shared a contact on Telegram in just a few quick taps. It's fast, simple, and keeps your chats organized whenever you need to pass someone's info along. If you found this helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more updated Telegram tips and easy messaging tutorials that make everyday communication smoother and smarter.